What's that? You got coins?
And that's the Easter bunny.
The Easter Bunny? He came to Grandma and Grandpa's?
Huh?
He came to Grandma and Grandpa's, the Easter Bunny?
Huh?
You gonna open your eggs? Open your other egg.
A cat?
Yeah.
Is that a snowman?
A snowman.
That one a snowman? And that one's a kitty.
Yeah? How much money do you have?
I just a mouse.
How much money do you have?
I got all of them. I got all of them.
You do. Got it. Can you say thank you to Grandma and Grandpa for sending the package?
Thank you.
What else did you get?
I got eggs.
And
Toys.
toys.
I guess I think another Thomas and Victor.
And Victor. And a chocolate bunny.
I wish that.
Etch a sketch. I'll show you. What's that?
A SpongeBob.
Okay, can you blow a kiss? Aw.
Look.